couldn't resist. My first moving around of the ball. Incredible. I haven't tuned the strength of the magnet or the size of the ball or really got anything level. It's just sort of sitting on top of those wires, so it's not sitting flat. But it's moving. Hooray! If I were to home this right now, the arm would crash into the side of the enclosure. So I shan't do that. I did do that. It was scary. But yes, it's moving. Put some sand in there. The steppers are quite loud with this on now, so I'm going to have to invest some effort in quieting them down. I think part of the noise is coming from the fact that we're stepping close to 10 kilohertz right now, so I might move a bit slower to get it out of that sweet spot for annoying human sounds. Okay, bye bye.